Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let's create the new ReactJs project. So where we'll be seeing how to create a particular home page, about page, contact pages, and rendering from one particular page to the another page. And we'll create one fully fledged site like where we can enable the particular dark mode as well as we can enable the particular blue mode over here. So I'll show you the demo of the project. So this is the demo of the project. So where we have a title and we have the two pages over here, and we have the two symbol, that is a dark mode as well as a blue mode. So here we have the few of the cards which I have added for the demo purpose. So now if I just click on to the dark mode, so you can see the particular background color is being changed, all the things is getting changed, and the card is getting the particular black color card as well as text has been converted into white color. Okay, so if I just click again, it is just coming into the normal mode, and when I click onto the blue mode, so you can see the particular background color is being changed to blue color. So this is how we can just see. This was the demo. So if I just click again, it is just coming back to the normal mode. If I just click onto the dark mode, it is just working. So all the things has been working fine. So now if I just click onto the about page, so you can see without refreshing the particular pages, I'm rendering to the about me particular page over here. If I just click onto the contact page, so if I just click onto the contact page, you can see I'm rendering to the contact page over here where we have the form and we have the particular buttons. If I just click onto the ARK Pro folder, so I'm rendering to the home page. That means all the things is working fine, and without refreshing the page, we have been created this particular site. So we'll see how to create this site. It is very simple site, and we'll understand how the useState works over here in the deep. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to my channel. So previous two videos I have added over here. So first is the installation part, and second one is the props, hooks, and useState over here, which I have been taught. So these concepts will be using to create this project. So let's move on to the coding part. So now I'll just cancel the site over here. So now coming back to the server, so I'll just stop the particular server from here. Okay, so this was the demo of the project. So now I have created the particular project. You know how to create the particular project. So this is a command you need to run. So I have just created npx. So first you create a new empty folder, then run the command npx. This was the command I have created right now. So the npx create react application, that is the project name I have given as a dark blue theme. Okay, so this is what the project name I have been created. So once I have been run this project, it will take few minutes of time. So all the packages will get installed and all the things will get installed over here. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just cancel the particular command prompt. So this is the folder which I have been created now. So sorry, not this is, so I think the React project 3, in the React project 3 folder, I have just opened like this inside my command terminal. Then I have entered the particular command which I have been shown. So once it has been that, so you can see the project is been created over here. So now this I'll just open inside the VS code. So now if I just open this is inside the VS code, it will be looking something like this. So the project folder is been open inside my Visual Studio Code. So now what you have to do, just click onto the new terminal over here. So now I need to just run the particular project over here. So I need to install few of the particular things. So first I am just using what, I'll be using the Bootstrap, right? To use the Bootstrap, I need to install few of the modules here. So I'll just tell npm install. So first you need to come inside your project directory. So I'll say npm install. So I'll just use the command prompt over here. Okay, so I don't want the PowerShell, I'll just use the command prompt. I'll just tell npm install bootstrap bootstrap. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen how to copy the CDN links and paste it inside the particular index.html page inside the public folder. But in this video we'll see how we can import the particular bootstrap from the node modules. Okay, so we need to import inside the node modules over now. So we need to wait for the few seconds to install the particular bootstraps. So let's install and we'll come back. Now I want to so once it has been installed, so you can see all the things is being getting installed over here. So after installation of the bootstrap, so what I need to do here is next I need to import it. So where I need to import, first I need to come back to my src folder. Okay, so once I come back inside my src folder, here I have a page that is index.js file. So here is the index.js file. Here I need to just import the particular thing. So we'll import. So first what we'll do, we'll just tell in npm start. I want to just start the particular project over here. So I will just start the particular project. So and I'll be using the React router DOM over here. So we'll see what is React router DOM over here. So I'll just tell React router DOM. So I need to install a module React Rotterdam. So I will just install. So again, if I just stop the server again, I need to restart it. So because of that, I'll just install right now the particular package, the React Rotterdam. So you can see the React Rotterdam is something we need to run the command npm install, that is a React Rotterdam. We need to just create like this. So React Rotterdam, we have, so you can see we have a browser router and we have a switch and we have a route and we have the link over here from the React Rotterdam. That is the previous things, but now switch is been changed to routes, ROUTS routes. But we'll see how to import that one. So you can see whenever I am clicking to the home, it is just going to the slash page. Whenever I am clicking onto the about page, it is just going to the slash about. For the users, it is just going to the slash users page, and particular thing will get loaded for the particular router. So whenever there is a about particular path, so these things about page will get routed. You can see over here for the users, for the slash, the home page has been getting routed. So this is how the things works, and without refreshing the particular pages, the things is going to work over here. So I think this is more than enough. So now coming back to the terminal, so I'll just install it here. I'll just tell npm install react router DOM now. So I'm just installing the React Router DOM inside my node modules. So you can see the things has been getting installed. So let it install. So once I have been showing you, if I just come back to the app.js file, so here the thing has been working. This was the page. This is the page where I need to, this is the particular app.js will render inside the website. So our website will start from where? It starts from the index.html file. So here I'll just change the particular title name. I'll give the title name as dark blue theme. Okay, so I'm just giving the dark blue theme as my title name. So whenever I'll just remove all these unwanted empty scripts, I'll just remove the unwanted empty script from here and even here. Okay, so what happens here is whenever this page works, it will just id is equal to root will going to pop up. So it just go to the app.js file here and it will just see what is the id name over here. Sorry, not the app, index.js file. So here id is equal to root. So for the root, app is going to render it over here, that is single page application. So app is nothing but our app.js will come back here and whatever the function is been returning, the particular div tag, that is going to render it over here. So I'll just remove the div tag. I'll just give the h1 tag over here. I'll just say, so it is not rendering. I'll just tell hello world. So I'll just save it. So now let's run the particular project here. So you can see our dependencies has been installed, all the modules, that is a React Router DOM, and we have installed the React Bootstrap. So now I need to just tell npm start, start. So once I click onto the npm start, so our project is going to start over here. You can see it is just starting the particular project. So let it start. So I'll just save all the things from the project. So now we need to set up the particular components as well as a navbar, all those things. So let's set up that particular kind of stuff. So let's wait for the few seconds. So you can see the particular starting development is being started at the localhost 3000. So now let's look onto the particular coding part. So where our coding part starts. So you can see these all the normal stuffs where everyone you need to know how to create a React application as well as how to start the particular server. So same command is going to be used. So now our website is going to start over here. You can see it is just getting started. So coming back to the code here, I'll just create one particular folder. I'll just name it as components. Okay, so give the spelling components. So I have given the correct spelling right now. Fine. So I have just created a folder that is components over here. So inside the components, I will just create 3 pages over here. So the 3 particular JavaScript files. I'll just create the first JavaScript. I'll just give it as about.js file. So this is the one about.js file. Then I'll just create one more, that is a contact.js file for the contact page. And for the navbar, I'll just create the particular one file, that is I will just give it as a navbar.javascript file. So then I'll just create one more file, I'll just create as a section.js file. So that will be basically the card section I'm just having. So these are all the 4 pages I have been created in my components. So we'll be dealing with these 4 pages right now. So now coming back to the project, you can see I'm having an hello world over here. So now I have said we have installed a Bootstrap. So I need to import the particular Bootstrap. Here the Bootstrap is not working right now. To install the import the Bootstrap, we have installed. Now I need to go to my index.js file. Here I need to just import it. So there are a number of ways, so I'll be using this way. So I'll just tell import. I want to just import the particular bootstrap. So I want to just import the bootstrap. From where? It will be there inside your dist directory, then it will just there inside your css folder. Then you'll be having what? You'll be having one bootstrap.min.css file. So you'll be having like bootstrap.min.css and css from this one. So once I save, so if all the things is working fine, now you can see the things will get changed over here. So if I just refresh the page, so you can see the bootstrap has been loaded. You can see all the things is working. Now bootstrap has been loaded in a single line of command. That's all, very simple. Now coming back to the app.js file, where we need to work onto it. So where we need to work onto the app.js file. So here I need to pass few of the things, like I want to just tell I want to just all the functionalities of the app I will be adding over here, like how the dark things works, as well as the light theme, all these things I'll just add. So before that I want to just create one particular router, so it should render from one page to the another page. So that is what I want to do it right now. So now I'll just return, rather than returning anything, I'll just keep it empty like this. So here I'll just tell like this. So now I want to import few of the things. So as I said, inside my, so before, if I just tell what was that, React router DOM, right? So React router DOM. So I had opened this page. So here we have just saw the quick guide of it. So here they have imported few of the things. So this is the thing they have imported. Ditto I will just copy from here. I'll just copy from here ditto, and I'll just paste it inside my here. So they have I'm importing what from the React router DOM. I am importing the browser as a router, then I am just importing the particular switch, then I am importing as a routes, and I am just importing the particular route over here. So here the switch is not going to work in the latest React router DOM, so they have been replaced with the ROUTES routes. Okay, so they have been replaced with the routes over here. So routes, router, so browser router as a router, routes as well as a link. So link we are not using in this particular thing. So here I'll just use the routes as well as a router. So these three things I'll be using it over here. So this thing is coming from the module which we have installed, this React router DOM over here. So then same way I want to just come back to my about.js file. Here I'll just tell RFC. So React functional based component, I'll just save it, and coming back to the content I'll just tell RFC. So React based component contact, and for the this also I'll just tell RFC done, and I'll just save it, and coming back to the section I'll just tell RFC enter. All I'm just using the React functional based component, I'm just exporting it over here. So now the things is done. I have just imported all the thing. Coming back to the app.js file, so here I need to work with what? I need to just work with all the particular stuff now. So now coming back, here I need to just set up this kind of router. So same way how we have like router, all those things, so I need to use it in the same way. So let's type it all the part over here. So now what I'll do here is I'll just tell, so first whatever my router is there, so whatever the router I have been imported, I'll just put in the router over here. I'll just close a little bit here. So inside my router, what I am going to do here is, so we need to have a navbar. We have the navbar over here. I'll just tell nav nav br navbar. So I want to have a navbar. So it is not taking the navbar from the particular thing. I'll just do like this. So what I need to do here is I'll just remove like this. I'll just tell here as like this. Okay, so if I just so just click onto the, so they just click onto the navbar. So just I'm just now the particular navbar is been imported over here. Okay, so once the navbar is been imported, now I need to import same way. I want to import two things. So I want to just import what? I want to just import the particular contact. So contact is coming from where? So it is coming from the particular contact section, and I need to have a section over here. So my section is coming from where? It is just coming from the section directory. Then same way I need to have the about, about. So my about is coming from where? It is just coming from this particular about.js file. Okay, so now I have imported the navbar, contact section as well as an about now. So now coming back to the navbar, so here I'll be just passing the particular props, all those things. So in the navbar, what I'm just going to pass, just see. So everything I'll just right click and format the document. So all the things will come in the proper way. So inside my navbar, what I'm just going to pass here is I'll just pass the few of the things in my navbar. So first I'll just pass the what is the title of it, title title. Okay, so title should be what? ARK and PRO, and it should be coder, ARK pro coder. So the title name should be the ARK pro coder. Then I want to have an about.txt file. So so sorry, the about.txt particular props. So here I'll just, it should be just display about us. Okay, so then I need to have a contact txt. So the contact txt should tell as a contact as over here, the about us as well as a contact us. So these are all the things I need to just pass it over here. So now right now, so along with that, so what is the mode, it whether it is a light mode or a dark mode, so I need to have this also. So for that one, I'll just create one more props. So this props, what does it does means it will just run the particular mode function. So I'll just create the particular mode function in the few while. So this will be the one thing over here. So now for this mode, I am just passing this is the particular current mode, and for the dark mode, I need to have a dark mode, right? For the dark mode, so whenever I am passing as a dark mode, it should run the particular thing, that is dark mode function it should run. And for the blue mode, so I need to just create one more, that is blue mode. For the blue mode, it should just run the blue mode particular function over here. Okay, so these are all the things I need to just create right now. So title is all the normally thing, this is I'm just passing statically, and this will work dynamically because the mode, dark mode, blue mode is going to run the particular function. So this is one particular navbar. So one navbar is compulsory in all the application. Whenever I am just opening the website, so one navbar will be there, it will be compulsory for all the pages. Okay, so that is why I have just added directly in the navbar now. So now, which is not compulsory, that I'll just put it in the routes. So I'll just put it everything inside my routes now. So inside the route, I'll be have the route route. So route is be there inside my page over here. So I'll just click onto the enter route over here. So once I click onto the enter, I'll just put like this. So here I'll just tell like this. Okay, so now route will be there. So all the routes I need to just create. So route, I need to have the 3 routes over. I'll just put on the particular 3 routes over here. I'll just tell exact path. What is the exact path it is just going to take? I'll just pass the particular path. So whenever there is a slash, path, sorry, should just come here. So whenever there is a path for the slash, so what is the element it should take? So I'll just tell what is the element it should going to take. So it will take the particular, so it should load the particular card element also. So for that one, the particular card section, so whatever the card section I have been created, the particular section, so it should just load the particular section also, that is a card section. So I'll just stay here in the form of like this. I'll just tell like this, I'll just tell section. Okay, so I want to just load the particular card section. So in the card section, I need to just pass the particular mode also. So what is the current mode of it, whether it is a light mode or a dark mode, I need to just pass like this also. Okay, so for the same way, I need to just pass the one more thing, that is a dark mode also, I need to just pass it. So because the dark mode is also, I'm just going to do it. So let's tell as a dark mode over here, dark mode. So just I'm just passing in this way. So then what else I need to just pass in the section? So in the section, I need to just pass one more thing, that is a blue mode. I'll just tell blue mode. So this blue mode is been going to take the blue mode function. Okay, blue mode function. So this particular function is going to take this particular function now. So now I have just passed like this. So then I need to just close a particular document. So I'll just tell slash, I'll just close in this particular fashion. Okay, so it is just going to close in this way. Then I can just I think there is no need of giving the particular these two things. Okay, now the things is working fine. You can see now the perfect it has been done. So this is one particular route, done. So now I need to have 2 more routes, right? So I'll just tell 1 2. So I need to have 2 more routes. So here what I'll just pass, I'll just remove this entire element from here, and I'll just remove the entire element from here. So what this particular thing is going to element it is going to take, mean it is just going to take the about. Okay, for the slash about about, whenever I am using a slash about, it's just going to load this about URL section. Okay, so like this the things is going to work. And here is some mistake. So what is the mistake? Okay, I need to just give it like this, that's it. Okay, so the about function is been going to run. So then same way for the contact, so I need to load the particular contact section. So for the contact section, whenever there is a slash contact, the link should the route should happen to the, whenever there is a slash contact, the contact where it should load, whatever the contact is there, it should get loaded. Okay, so this is a very simple route function so that we have been designed. So I'll just save everything. Now coming back to the navbar, I need to just set it the particular navbar over here. If I just come back here, you can see I'm having an error. The mode is not defined, dark mode is not defined, blue mode is also not defined, as well as the mode, dark mode. These all the things has been not defined. So it is just saying me. So now coming back to the navbar. So first let's put out the particular navbar over here. So I'll just go back to the getbootstrap.com and simply I'll just copy the particular navbar from here. I'll just go back to the home page and the documentation, and here I'll just click onto the components. So inside my components, I'll just click onto the navbars over here. Where is the navbar? Is over here. So I'll just copy the navbar from here. I'll just copy the navbar, coming back over here. So everything I'll just paste it over here. So I'll just paste it here. So here I'll just paste the particular navbar. So once I have been pasted, I need to do one thing. Wherever there is a class, I need to just change the particular class to class name. So I want to just I'll just replace with all. So I'm just replacing all the class name, and wherever there is a href, I need to just replace with 2. Okay, so because href is not going to work, href will work, it will reload the page, but I'll be using a 2 over here. So the 2 is been changed. And wherever there is a for, so wherever there is a for there is anywhere is a for, there is no for. Okay, done. So now one thing, I'll just remove so we have an input over here. I need to just give it as a slash, and I don't need to have a li tag over here. I'll just remove the li tag, and I need to have an ul tag also. So the nav drop down, I'll just going to remove the drop down, I don't need. Then here we have a home page. So what I'll do here is, so I'll load everything from the props over here. So I'll just import, I'll just tell props props. So I'm just using the props props. I'm just loading it. So from my app.js, so from the props for the navbar, whenever the navbar is there, so these all the props I can just use. I can just pass the title, about, contact, txt, as well as a mode. I'll just copy this one, come back to the navbar. I'll just say here I'll just tell props props dot title. I want to just pass the particular title, so it should load with the /url. Done. Thanks. What else you have? So we have one thing, and same way for here also. So this is something for the stuffs. Okay, so let me see. So we have a li tag, right? So we have the props dot title, and so this is for the, I'll just remove. Okay, so let it be. So right now I'll just give it as a slash it over here. Now coming back to the link, so we have a link, right? I don't need to have a link over here, so I need to just pass the particular props dot, here I want to just pass the about us. Okay, so about txt. So I'll just tell about about txt. So whatever the about txt is there inside my app.js, the about txt should get passed, and same way contact.txt also should get passed to the navbar. So coming back to the, I'll just duplicate this link. I'll just say props.contact.txt. so it should load to that, it should go to the slash about url, it should go to the slash contact url. That's it. Okay, done. So we have been 3 things over here. So now we have the light as well as we have the dark mode, right? So we have a light and we have a dark mode. So let's see later. So now coming back to the one more concept. So here I need to just pass one particular stuff, like I need to just load the particular link from here. I want to just load the particular link. So I'll just tell so I want to have a link. So from the link where it is coming, so I'll just tell import the particular. So I want to just import the particular link from the React router DOM. So I'm just importing the particular link from the React router DOM. So wherever there is a li anchor tag, so we need to replace with the link over here. So wherever there is an anchor tag, so I want to just replace with the link. Okay, so wherever there is, here also we have the anchor tag, so here also I'll just replace with the link, and even we have I'll just replace with the link, and here we have anchor tag, I'll just replace with the link over here. So all the things has been done. So I'll just save all. Let me see any errors. So we have the errors because the things has been not defined over here. So let's come back to my app.js section. So let's define all the particular components. Okay, so let's define all the things over here. So all the things I need to just define it. So I want to just create the particular 2 things over here. So I'll just say I'll just tell const. So first I need to have what? I need to have a mode. So I want to just define the particular mode. So I want to set, and I want to just set it first I'll just set dark mode. So I need to have a mode as well as a set dark mode. I'll just use the use state. I'll just use the particular use state from the React. So you can see the use state is been imported, and this one I'll just put it like this. Okay, so here what I'll say, I want to just tell what is the basic mode of it. I'll just keep it as a light mode over here. So next, coming back to the one more mode blue. So I want to set it for the mode blue. So because you can see I have been used as a mode blue somewhere here. So where is it? Okay, dark mode, blue mode is been used over here. So I'll just use it as a mode blue for the current state, and here I'll just make it as set blue mode. Okay, set blue blue mode. Okay, so even I'll just keep the particular current state as a light mode over here. So okay, so these are all the things I'll just define. So now coming back to the one more functions I need to define it for the dark mode, to set the particular dark mode. So here you see we have been used as a dark mode as well as a blue mode. So I need to define the particular function for it. So I'll just create the particular function. I'll just tell const here I'll just create a particular function name as a dark mode. So it will just create the particular function call, and it should just solve this issue. Okay, done. Same way I'll just create one more for the blue mode. So blue mode will be doing what? Blue mode will just run this particular function. Let me save everything. If I come back, refreshed, perfect, all the things is working perfect. Now see, you have a about page. If I click onto the about us, it is just going to the about page. If I just click onto the contact us, it is just going to the contact page. So about us, contact us page, and ARK Pro Coder, everything has been working. Even the section is also working perfectly. So this is what I wanted to happen. So all the things is working perfectly. Now let's look onto the logical part. Coming back to the, I need to have a switch like this, right? So I'll just click on to here. So I think that was a switch. I think SVWITCS switches. If I just search for the switch inside my Bootstrap, so here we have the switches over here. You can see I have a switch like this. So where I have the switch, I can just check, and I'll just copy one particular switch from here. I'll just copy the switch, come back to the navbar.js file. So after the search, so before the search I need to have the switch now here. So we have the UL tag. So after the UL tag, I'll just put it the switches over here. Okay, inside my navbar I'll just put two switches. So here I'll just name class is equal to class name. I'll just copy and I'll just paste here, and here is the input, right? So for the input I need to just give like this, so it just resolves the error. Then anything else, label we have class. So here I need to just change for the class name. Here I need to just give it as a HTML for the for. I'll just remove like this. So HTML for, and a default checkbox has been there. So here I'll just put this as a dark mode. I'll just take as a dark mode. Okay, so I have a dark mode over here. Same on more, I need to have in a blue mode. I'll just keep it as in a blue mode. Okay, so the blue mode as well as a dark mode, the three things I have been created. So the basically the very simple the simple thing here, I'll just copy the stuff from there, and I have created dark mode as well as a blue mode. So I'll just save everything. Coming back to my website, so here you can see I have a dark mode as well as a blue mode. I got the two particular buttons from here. Now I need to write the particular logic to it. That's all. So I need to just write the particular logic to it. So let's create the particular logic. So to create a logic, we need to just apply the use state concept. That is, I have been come back to my app.js. Here I need to set the particular use state logic now. So I'll just write the particular logic, then I'll just add the particular thing inside my HTML part now. So what I'll do here is, so here, see, whenever there is a mode, I want to just set the particular mode to light mode over here, right? So I want to just set the particular mode. So these modes are getting passed as a props to the navbar. So all the modes is been getting passed as a props. So wherever there is a light mode, so I'll just do one thing. I'll just put the mode over here, and here also I'll just put the mode. I want to just pass it as a props. So when I'm just passing as a props, I need to do one thing. So I need to just load everything inside in the form of a dollar. I need to just tell I need to use a dollar symbol over here. Dollar. I'll just tell props.mode. PROPS props.mode. Okay, so I'm just using the props.mode over here. So even in the background, BG is nothing but a background color. So background color also should be what? Props.mode. PROPS props.mode. Okay, so the background color should be what? Props.mode over here. So we have just set up in this particular fashion now. So I'll just save it now. So once I save, coming back here, so see here, so you can see I'm all the things working fine, but the things is just, it is just getting like this, right? So what I'll just do here is I'll just use the dollar symbol. Okay, so I'll just use this one, so the particular thing in this particular fashion. Okay, so here I need to just use it like this. So I'll just use in this particular fashion. So the background color is white, and the first, you can see now it has been perfect. So all the things has been there. So whenever background color is light and the BG color is also, so mode, so whatever the mode is, props.mode, whatever I am just using. So BG, so here also I need to just use, right? So dollar I need to just use it. BG is equal to $.props.mode. I'll just save it like this. So if I just save it like this, if I come back and refresh, so all the things, you can see all the things has been light mode. You can see I am having a light navbar over here. So background color is also light, and background color is also light is over here. So now coming back to the next stuff. So now this one thing is done. So now coming back to the app.js here. So here the mode is been set to light mode. So suppose it was a dark mode. So if I just change it here as a dark, useState as a dark, so you can see dark mode is been converted over here. So you can see the dark mode is been coming over here. So I'm setting the particular current state into what? I'm just setting the current state as a light mode itself. So it is been loaded as a light mode over here. So now this is all the logic. Now I need to set it for the dark mode, all those things now. So I'll just say one logic. I'll just tell if the particular mode, so whatever the mode is there, so whatever the current mode is there, if the particular current mode is a LIGHT light mode, so if the particular current mode is light mode, so what I need to, whenever I am clicking on, whenever my dark mode function runs, if the mode is light mode, so whenever the mode is a current mode is a light mode, I'll just set the particular dark mode over here. I'll just set the particular dark mode. So now I am just changing to DRK, dark color. I want to just change the particular color to dark color. Then I'll just tell document, so document dot body dot color. So I'll just style dot color, style dot background color, so background color. So whatever the document dot body dot style or background color is there, so for the background color I'll just make it the black color over here. That's it. Okay, so this will be working. So now if not I'll just use the else statement. So in the else statement I'll just set the particular dark mode. Whenever I'm just, whatever the dark mode is been set, so that one I'll just set it to light color. Okay, so same thing, same the document, whatever the thing I have been done, copy and paste it. Now the background color will just rechange it to normal color, to that is white color. So that is how the logic is been going to work. So now if I just save like this, now I have been saved now. So now coming back to the navbar.js, here I need to just say whenever there is a dark mode, right? Whenever there is a dark mode is been running. So whenever the dark mode is been running, what I need to do? So on click, whenever on click function I need to run, where I need to just run the particular on click inside my input function. I'll just tell on click. So whenever what is the click I need to just tell, so whatever my props are coming, I want to run the particular function, that is the dark mode function. I want to run it. I'll just copy this dark mode function. I'll just tell I want to run this dark mode function. That's it. Okay, so here we have all the things is been there. So now I'll just save this much. Once I save, coming back here, now it will be there. So now see, if I just click onto the dark mode, you can see the thing is been getting to perfect. So if I just click again, it is just coming backward. So the dark mode is in working perfectly. So this is very easiest thing. But here you can see this particular text is not getting visible. So we'll resolve this one. So here I'll just say, so if I see, where is the particular dark mode is been coming here, right? So it is, we have a class over here. So what I'll do here is I'll just remove, I'll just put everything. I'll just keep it. I'll just tell here I want to just use this fashion. I'll just use the we call some that one thing we call, so what I am not getting into the mind. So everything will be using if else condition in a single line of code. So we'll just tell quotes over here. Okay, so let's remove here. I'll say like this normally, and here I'll just say so what I need to do here is I need to just set it as a props over here, right? So basically I'll just set the particular props over here. So here coming, so sorry, I need to just use like this. And I'll just get confused with this part. Label, then same way I need to just use it here. So I'll just remove one quote from here. So I'll just say one thing here. So I want to say whatever the label text white, I need to just tell the particular text to white or else it should be have a dark color. So what I'll say here is I'll say whenever there is a dollar, just apply the concept. I'll say if my props.mode, if the particular mode is equal to if the particular mode is equal to light color, then if it is there, just make it this particular color as dark color, else make it as a LIGHT light color. That's it. Very simple color, right? So sorry, we have to make it as a white here, so because the text white will be there, so all text dark. So what I'm just saying here is, so understand the logic. So I'm just applying the single the particular backticks. I'm telling one condition, text white means whatever the dark mode is there, it will just set it to white color. So I want to just take the first condition. So whatever my props are been there, so whatever the props.mode is there, so it is either a right or a bot, either a right or a dark. If the props.mode is a right color, so I want to just make it as a dark color. Okay, else whatever the text color is there, if it is a dark mode, it will just make the particular as a text is equal to white. So it is the simple logic. Okay, same logic I am going to apply for this, the below down also. I'll just tell same logic I am just going to apply for this below also. Okay, the class name wherever the blue mode is been there, I'll just save it now. So once I save, come back here. Now see the particular things will work. If I just click on the now, you can see I am, before it was not visible, now it is been visible. Perfect. Okay, all the things has been working fine. Done right now. So fine. Now I need to just set it for the blue mode. So for the blue mode, I'll just say, so where is the input it over here? I'll just tell whenever there is a on click function. So whenever there is a on click function for the things, I'll just tell props dot, so what I need to just run props dot blue mode. So I want to just run the particular blue mode over here, blue mode. So MODE mode. So whenever I click on the blue mode, it should run the particular blue mode function. So I'll just save it. Coming back to the app.js file. So here same way I need to just apply the particular logic for the blue mode also. So let's write the logic for the blue mode. So I'll just say same way I'll just pass the particular concept of useState. I'll just say if the particular mode, so whatever the mode is there, if the particular mode blue, so whatever the mode blue is there, so whatever the blue mode is there, if the particular blue mode is equal to light color, if suppose it is a light color, what I need to do it, so I need to just set the particular background color. I'll just first set the particular blue mode. So whatever the dark, first I need to just set the dark mode here. So whatever the dark mode is there, I want to just convert it into dark color. Same I need to set one more state. So now I need to set the particular blue mode over here. So now the blue mode also I am just going to set it as a dark mode if there is a light color, and again I'll just set, now I'll just change the particular background of the body color. So you can just set it as an info color also, it's your choice. Okay, so if I just use it as an info color, you can just do it, set the blue mode to info. Now I'll just tell document dot body dot style dot background color bg not coming. Oh my god, it is not coming. Okay, so I'll just tell background color, let's copy. I am very alsy, so I'll just do it like this. So whatever the background color is there, I'll just use one source code. I'll just use a hashtag. I'll tell 042743. So this will be like a blue color background color, that's styling. Okay, that is one thing. So else, I'll just tell else if it's not works. So I'll just tell whatever the set the particular dark mode, whatever the dark mode is there. Now I will just tell the particular, sorry, not set. I'll just set the particular dark mode to light color, and same way set the particular blue mode to light color. So I'll have to just set it these two things. Then same way whatever the body color will be there, I'll just set it to black color. Okay, I'll just set the particular things to white color. Okay, so this will work. So this will work now, I think. So if I just save everything, coming back to the page, now home page is there. Now if I just click on the dark mode, working dark mode, if I just click on the blue mode, so even the blue mode is also working perfectly. Okay, so here I have just given as a info. I think info not doesn't work. If I just come back, so if I just work now, if I say, now you can see the info color is also working. Okay, so like this we can just do it. So the dark mode is working, and even the blue mode is also working fine. So what I'll do here is I'll just keep it as a dark only. So info is not looking good, I'll just keep it as a dark color. Just the body background color I just want to change it. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So if it's there, it should work like this, else it should work like this. Simple if else statement, right? So you know, So now if I just click onto the dark mode is working, blue mode is also working perfectly. So now our 90% of work is been done. Now we need to just so all the thing is done. Now I want to just come back to my card dot section over here, so where I want to just display the few of the cards. So in the card dot section, what I'll just whatever the card section is there, I want to just create one particular container. So I'll just create one particular container. So I'll just tell div dot container. So I'll just create a particular container. From the margin from the top should be 3 color, sorry, the 3 margin. Then I'll just create one particular row over here. So I'll just create the row. I'll just tell div dot row. So I'll just create one row. So I'll just tell div dot column of medium size. I want to have a 4 column of 3. Okay, so I'll just create a 3 columns over here. So done. So I have just created the particular 3 columns over here. So now I need to create a particular card over here. So what I'll do here is, we have created a particular card over here. Now I need to just have a card. So I'll just create a particular card. So I'll just use this card. Okay, so I'll just copy paste from the Bootstrap. So see what I'm just doing here is, so I'm just creating a card. So I'm just creating one class name that is a card. So I'm just giving the margin from the top, that is 3, and here I'm just creating one div type, that is a class name. So what I'm just checking, so when I'm just checking one particular condition over here. So what is the condition? Card body text. I want to suppose I have the particular, suppose in the light mode the particular text is in the dark color, right? So in the dark mode the particular text should convert it into the black color, sorry, the white color. So in the background will be the black and the text should get into the white. So same thing, I am applying the logic. So text white or a text dark, should two condition is there here. So according to this particular logic, the condition works. If my mode is dark color, so the particular text color will just change it to light color, else it will be dark color itself. And same way for the background also, I'm just giving background color. So same background color I'm just giving props mode dot light is equal to, if the particular light mode it is there, it will be light, or else it will be a dark. So same logic I'm applying here. So the card title will be having some of the dummy text that have been added, and some of the paragraph text that has been added over here. So this you can just give it. So for your better understanding, I'll just copy this particular stuff, and I'll just come back to the second column. I'll just paste it. So this time I'll just remove this entire thing. So here let's tell here as a card body, right? So see here, I'm using a card body over here. So what does means, if I just give it as a text as a dark and BG, I want to just make it as a success color. So if I just save it like this, coming back here, you can see I'm having an error. What is an error? So it is just saying untitled content has been matched. So where is it? Okay. So if I just where is the error is coming? Where is the error? Okay, so one div has been missed. So come back. Okay, again section dot the props is not defined. It is just giving the props is not defined. So I need to just load the particular props from here. I'll just save it. So I just come back here. Now you can see the particular section over. Now see, in the light mode, so basically the particular mode is light color. So props dot mode is what? Light. So now it has been just particular mode is equal to right now, right? So if the particular mode is light, the color should be a dark color over here. So the particular text of the color should be dark. Now in this particular card, I am not passing any props. So see here what I'm just passing. I'm just passing the particular word. I'm just telling text dark. Text dark means whatever the dark is, whatever the text is there, it is been just having in the dark. If I just give it as a text light, you can see it has been white color has been converted. So BG is equal to success me, whatever the background color is there, it has been changing to success color over here. Okay, so this is what the thing has been happening over here. So now what I'll do here is I want to just apply the same logic over here. So what is the logic? I'll just show you here. So what is the logic? I'm just applying it here. So here the logic I'm just applying. First, to apply the logic, so let's tell here I'll just remove here. I'll just keep it blank. So here I'll just use like this. So I want to just use a particular logic over here. So in this particular logic, what I want to do here is I want to just apply the particular logic in this way. I'll just use the backticks. Okay, now I'll just tell wherever when I'll just apply the condition of. So what I'm just applying, if I'll just taking one condition here. So what I'll just taking, if my props dot whatever the mode is there, the particular mode is equal to dark color. If it is dark color, I want to just make the particular color to light color. Okay, else I want to just keep it as a dark color. So I want to just, if it like this, I want to just keep it as a I'll just give like this. I want to just keep it as a LIGHT light color, else I want to just keep it as a dark color only. So this is what the logic I'm just applying it. The same way here also I'll just apply the logic. So what is the logic? I'll just say here again. So whatever the body color background color is the same, I'll just tell props dot mode. So whatever the props dot mode is there, if the particular props dot mode is equal to light color, it should be light or else it should be a dark color. So this is only the thing I'm just passing it here. So I'll just copy like same as it is, and I'll just paste it here as it is. Okay, so I don't want to make it mistake. Okay, so I am very lazy to type the particular things. So I have been completed this one. So now same what I'll do, I'll just remove this div tag. So here from here column 4, right? So whatever the column 4 is there, so from here to here I'll just 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'll just keep it 4 times. If I come back here, so obviously I thought the same error I'll be getting it. So because okay, so if I just save it like this normally, no, if I just have, so we have the 2 cards right now. So same, I'll just create one more 2 cards over here. So I'll just right click and format a particular document. Right click and format a document. The format document is here. Now it has been perfect, right? So now I want to just close this div tag. So I'll just control D, 1, okay, 2 3 4. So I'll just make it as a 4. So something is an error, some error has been there. Okay, so I want to just copy this like this, 1 and 2 and 3 as well as a 4. So I'll just save it. So if I just save it, if I come back here, now you can see I'm having a 4 cards over here, 6 cards. So I'm just duplicating the same cards. Now if I just click onto the dark mode, so you can see the all the things, background color is being changed to dark color and the text is become white. If I just click onto the back, it is just coming to the normal position. Only the simple logic here is, if the particular mode is a dark color, convert the particular text color to light color, or else keep it as a dark. And whatever the background color, BG, if the mode is background color mode is a light color, just keep it as a BG as a light, or else make it BG as a dark color. So I have been shown. So that is how the things will work. So if I just save it, normally all the things will be working over here. So now if I just click on the dark mode is in working. If I just click on the blue mode, even the blue mode is also working perfectly over here. Now coming back to the about us section, so I'll just write a few of the stuffs over here. So I'll just tell div dot display. So I'll just tell div dot display. I want to just display the 4. So here it should be like about. Okay, so in the about I want to just have a paragraph tag. I'll just so this one I'll just keep inside my one container. I'll just cut it. I'll just say here as a div dot container. Okay, div dot container. I'll just make it as a div. So inside the container, from the margins from the top should be 4, and we need to have this particular display. So inside the one paragraph tag, I'll just tell lorem. Okay, it will just give you the, if I just click on the about us, so we'll just go to the blue mode. So now you can see, so same thing, you can just check whatever the props is there. So this will be the assignment for you guys. So same way I need to just tell, so wherever there is a about us, so if I just give it as a text as a anything, if I just give it as a text as a warning, if I just give it as a warning, and even if I just give it as a BG as a warning color, okay, and it okay, so I'll just give it as a text as a warning color, no need BG, I'll just give it as a text should be the warning color. So I need to just give the class here, class is equal to text warning. I need to give in this fashion, class name. So class name is equal to text warning, and here it should be text warning. If I just save it, shit, okay, done. So if I now see all the things have been there, yellow color I am having, right? In the paragraph tag, class name text warning, okay, spelling is mistake, place warning, it is just space, perfect. Now you can see if I just click onto the now you can see I am having in the normal mode. If I just click on the dark mode, if I go back to the about us, you can see it has been in the warning color itself. Okay, so you can just check the condition. If it's there in the dark mode, you can just keep it as a color like this, or another color like that. Okay, so now same way I want to, even if I just in the blue mode also, it will look same. Okay, so now I need to come back to the contact page. So in the contact page, so what I need to have here is in the contact page, so I'll just copy same as it is in my contact as page. I'll just copy it same, come back to the contact as page. I'll just remove the particular part, and I'll just say here as a contact. So contact, okay, done. So here inside the paragraph tag, so rather than having a paragraph tag, I'll just give it as a text area. So here the text area, what it does means we'll be having like this, and here I'll be having something like class name. So it will be having a form control class. Okay, form control class. So after the text area, I'll just give one BR tag. So here I'll just tell button button dot btn, no, so dot btn primary. Okay, so I want to have a primary color, that is I'll just tell query, CUERY query, submit query. Okay, submit the particular query. If I just save it, so I come back, if I just click on the about us, if I click on the content us, you can see I'm having a content, I'm having a submit query thing over here. If I just click on the dark mode, even you can see the thing has been working fine. So all the thing has been working perfectly. So we have created a navbar, and we have set how to create it, set dark mode, and we have set that particular blue mode, and we have seen how we can just click on the one particular page to another URL without refreshing the pages, and we have done with the particular very small and cute website. So the main concept here is to understand the particular topics for you guys. So here just we are the particular full logic, it is going to work with the only two things, that is a use state. So first, whatever the mode is been set, the light is will be the current mode whenever the set dark mode function runs. That means whenever the dark mode function runs, so when will be the dark mode function run, I am as passing as a props to the navbar. So whenever there is a wherever there is a on click, so here you can see here on click, where is the on click is here. So whenever I click, the dark mode function should run. So it will just go back to the app.js, whatever the dark mode function is been written over here, the dark mode function is going to run. So if the mode is light, it is set it to the dark, or else it will be setting to the light color. So this is all the whole complete logic, and I hope you have understood guys, like how we can set the particular dark mode as well as a blue mode, how the text is going to changes, and the important topics, that is a React Router DOM, is also I have been taught in this video. I hope you have understood, and I'll see you in my next video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later. Take care. Bye bye.